In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV using your Xbox. If you're looking to stream games directly to your big screen, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. To watch live football on YouTube TV with your Xbox, start by ensuring your console is connected to the internet. Next, open the Microsoft Store on your Xbox and search for the YouTube TV app. Download and install the app, then log in to your YouTube TV account, or sign up if you're new to the service. Once logged in, use the app to browse the channel lineup and find the game you want to watch, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. Simply select the channel or game to start streaming instantly. You can also use the Xbox controller or a connected remote to set up reminders or record games using the cloud DVR feature. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV with Xbox, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.